Christmas. I am so excited to be spending the holiday season with you guys. The 12 days of Christmas is kind of like my take on vlogmas because I really wanted to do something special for this December. So I have a bunch of really fun things planned, and it all kind of leads up to this big finale, which we're gonna talk about in a little bit. But first, we're gonna go get a coffee. We're gonna go get a holiday coffee because I really can't do anything at this point without getting a coffee. Let's go to Dunkin'. I wanna get one of their new holiday coffees, and then we're gonna chat and I'm gonna fill you guys in on exactly what's going on, what my 12 days of Christmas is. I also am gonna do a little Christmas apartment tour, so if you wanna see that, stick around. But first, let's go to Dunkin' and get ourselves a little holiday coffee.
Hi there. Are you able to do the peppermint mocha with white mocha?
So I got the Dunkin' signature peppermint mocha latte, but instead of mocha, I got it with their toasted white mocha because, as you guys know, I just don't like chocolate and peppermint for some reason, but I love peppermint and white chocolate. It doesn't really make sense to me. I love going to Dunkin' during the holidays because I just love the cups. I don't get why Starbucks doesn't have holiday iced coffee cups. That's what I would ask for Christmas, is for Starbucks to also get holiday cups for their iced coffees. Like low-key, I will go to Dunkin' just because their cup is cuter. So now it's time to talk about Emily's 12 days of Christmas. I'm so excited for this. Also, can I be honest, I'm really nervous for it. So here's the thing. I love the idea of vlogmas. If you didn't know, vlogmas is where YouTubers will post every single day in December leading up to the 25th. So typically it's about 25 days of videos every single day. I would love to do that. I would have no problem filming myself every single day. It'd be like my own little reality TV show. But the issue I have with vlogmas is the fact that I am a one-woman team. So I'm filming myself, I'm editing myself, like I'm everything, which I can do that for like a couple videos a month, but doing that every single day, I think the editing is what would get me. I'm just not meant to daily vlog, and I've accepted it. But I did want to do something really special for the holidays. I love when you're watching your favorite TV show and then they have the Christmas special, and so I wanted to do like a Christmas special on my channel. It helps me get into the holiday spirit. Hopefully it helps you get into the holiday spirit. So what is my 12 days of Christmas? Instead of vlogging every single day for 25 days, I'm gonna cut that in half and just do 12 videos. I think this one is a little bit more realistic. So you're gonna be getting 12 videos. The videos aren't gonna be every day, they're just kind of gonna be random. Like whenever I finish a video, I'm just gonna upload it. But between now and the end of December, you're gonna get 12 videos. And honestly, you might get more than 12 videos. Like 12 is really just like the bare minimum here. And so all of this is gonna lead up to the big grand finale. And so I'm not gonna tell you guys what the finale is. Like I wanna do like this big reveal for it. It's so cheesy, but I wanna make it like this big thing. You guys are welcome to guess in the comments what you think it is. And the finale is gonna be part of the 12 days. All bets are off, is what I will say. So that's my big spiel. That's what's going on this month. But next up on the agenda for this first little day of Christmas is I want to do a Christmas apartment tour. So let's go home so I can show you guys my apartment. Actually, I lied. We're gonna go to Target first. Broken, and it really hasn't been that bad in the morning and nighttime because outside it's like 70s. So if there's a time for it to break, now is that time. But right now it's really stuffy in here. I have my fans on. I don't know, maybe I should open a window. I put in a little maintenance request, so hopefully they come like today or tomorrow. Anyways, I'm back from Target, so it's time for a little haul. And I feel like no December 1st vlog is really complete without a little Target holiday run. I got this little gingerbread ornament. I thought it was so cute. I mean, it was $1. I thought it'd be so cute to use. We'll put it somewhere. I don't know, I'll find a place for it, but it was so cute. And then I got some bath stuff. I got these little necklaces because I needed a silver necklace for one of my holiday outfits, which you guys will see. I feel like actually that's gonna be really cute. I don't own a lot of silver. I got a cute little body scrub. This is in the scent Coco Colada, which I thought that this brand made like a little peppermint body scrub. And I think that they do, I just don't think Target has it yet. So I feel like this kind of looks holiday-ish. So this is my current coffee that I'm drinking. It's the Stoke cold brew coffee. Finally, they had the Myers peppermint little dish soap. I love this stuff. I go crazy for the Myers like holiday stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my apartment. It's actually not that messy, but I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit so I can give you guys an apartment tour. I'm not that good at decorating, okay? I've said this before, I'll say it again. I didn't get that like interior designer gene. That's why I don't really do like aesthetic apartment tours, because my apartment is not aesthetic. It's very me. But I love that though. Like, I love having color in my apartment, and I love having like whimsical stuff, like my pink couch, for example. I literally have a pink couch, which during most of the year has cow print pillows on it. If I ever get married and have to share a room, like probably I'm not gonna be able to have pink bed sheets. Unfortunately. I don't know how I'm gonna handle that, to be completely honest with you. Good thing I won't be getting married anytime soon. This was like a decoration for my birthday cake back in July, and then I just taped it to my door. When you walk into my apartment, this is the kitchen. I really love this top area. This candle's from Anthropology, and I put it up there just for decoration. I don't actually light it, but I think it just looks so cute and like bougie. This little sign, this is from Target. It says Mary. It lights up, but I don't ever light it up. My little Epcot ball cookie jar, and then a little Disney munchling, which technically I don't think he's a Christmas one, but I just thought he looked so cute up there. And then up here is a few more decorations, and I have my two little cookbooks up here. One is all about ranch, and one is like an Epcot cookbook. So as you can tell, I clearly love Epcot and ranch. And then a few other details here. I have this cutie little thing. Yeah, no, that's right. There's 25 days until Christmas. Over here, I just have a little Bath & Body Works candle. I have these cute little dish rags. These are from Disney from last year or the year before, I think. But I think they look so cute. And then I have this little Be Merry rug. And then my fridge isn't decorated, but I wrote a little sign for you guys. I also still have my Mickey's Halloween party stuff up there. I don't know why, I just haven't felt like changing it. I like to keep cute little mementos on my fridge, like here are some of my favorite Polaroids. That's when I graduated. That was my Riviera staycation. I just thought it was cute and aesthetic. That's my family. That's my mom holding me at Disney when I was younger. That was the Enchantment premiere, which was like the best day of my life. That was my mom and my brother at my graduation. That's my best friend, Ross Lynch. This is me and Libby, and this is me and Libby, RIP. This was from when I met Matt Cornett. These are my cute little annual pass holder stuff. So like, if you ever see my fridge in videos, it's just like a bunch of cute little memories and stuff. This is my little living room setup. We have the pink couch. I have the two munchlings that Disney sent me that match my couch so perfectly. It's like a peppermint pink candy cane wonderland. That's the vibe. So I really love how my couch turned out. I think it's so cute. And then this candle is from Target, and it smells like a Christmas tree. I know that my little banner is kind of missing a few Santa Clauses. It's a few years old, okay? You know, it's cute and quirky, I guess. And then I have this little table with a few cute decorations. I love this candle. It's by Myers, and it burned all the way, so I'm waiting for Target to get some more back in stock. Those are from Target. They're like $5. This is the other side of my living room. I have this cute little Merry Christmas banner. I love it because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be little Christmas cookies, like that's the theme of the banner. It's so cute. And then my TV, I decorated my little TV stand. So here's another Bath & Body Works candle holiday. This is from Target. I really liked how it looked. This is another munchling. You're gonna find them all over my apartment. Cute little pine tree thingy. I have my stocking. I have another picture of me and Libby, little sign here. I also have all my games in here, and then Grateful, and that's one of my graduation photos. This is my Christmas tree. Now I don't have really any of my ornaments on it yet. I've just been kind of lazy, but I do have my Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party ornament, and then for some reason I have a Santa Claus ornament on there. I have my little tree topper. Everything is either from Target or Walmart. During this time of year, I love to put any PR packages or any gifts I get under my tree. So that was sent to me by Disney, so I put that under my tree, and then I have another PR package under my tree, and I just think it makes it look cute. And then this is my little office space. So I'm not gonna show you guys much detail because it's horribly cluttered and messy, and I don't really use it. It's more of like a storage space, but there's a few decorations, like my little pillow there, And then this is kind of like my PR dresser, which honestly I need a bigger one because it's literally overflowing. I don't have enough space, but I just like to keep some of my favorite PR stuff here. So this was from Stony Clover and I'm obsessed with it. I will never get rid of it. Here are my Christmas party maps and stuff. My little Nuimos, Munchlings, I told you, I literally have Munchlings just everywhere. Disney Plus. This wasn't PR, I got it from Disney Plus Day. Little fall candle and a little tree. Now let's go into my bedroom. This is my little bed setup area. I don't have enough pillows, honestly, but I'm kind of making do with what I have. This is my favorite holiday pillow. It's from Disney a few years ago. It smells like gingerbread. I think it's so cute. And then I have a little garland up on my window, a little Christmas tree. This is my vanity area. And then over here is like a mess, so I'm not even gonna show you guys. And then my blankets are off of my bed because my AC is broken. But this is my little clothing rack that I like to change for the holidays. And then this is one of my favorite signs. It says, "'Tis the season to sparkle." And then this is probably my favorite part of my apartment is my little dresser. I love changing out my ears based on the holidays. These are my Christmas ears. Again, surprise, another Munchling. I have this cute little Christmas tree that I love. Some of my Christmas scents over here. Oh, this is hair tinsel, by the way, that I might try to do at some point. I have like hair accessories, earrings, perfume, sunglasses, all that stuff. This is my favorite Christmas candle. And then my little nightstand, I don't have a lot, but I do have a little Christmas candle, a little Believe thing. And then last but not least, my bathroom is somewhat decorated, so I have this fa la 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 la. Again, I tried to go with like a pink peppermint theme, so I have twisted peppermint hand soap, and then I love this little area. This is from Anthropologie. I think it's so cute. It's a little soap. Just put it there. This is peppermint sugar cookie. And then I have this little area too. And then another little advent calendar here. So it's the next day. It's kind of too hot in my apartment for me to really do anything. And I'm also wearing the same sweater. My Spotify Wrapped came out and let me show you guys. I listened for 73,880 minutes. Comment down below what your Spotify Wrapped playtime is, because that's actually low for me. Usually it's about 80,000. Somehow I listened to less music this year, which is interesting. My top song was Till Kingdom Come by Coldplay. The funny thing is that I don't even remember listening to it like that much. Last year my favorite song was Favorite Crime, and I remember just sitting in my bed listening to that on repeat, but I listened to it 83 times. Oh, that's because I listened to it mostly in January though. I always forget the music I liked early in the year. But these are my top songs. They're all Coldplay. Life in Technicolor 2, that is a great song. You should listen to that one if you want to feel like on top of the world, your life is about to get better. Prospect Smart, that's actually a really good song. Sparks by Coldplay, that's one of the saddest songs. And Champion of the World. So my top artists were Coldplay, The Lumineers, Rex Orange County, R.I.P. He didn't die though. Role Model and Big Time Rush, which that all makes sense. Rex, I really only listened to him early on in the year. And then Role Model, since I went to his concert, I listened to him so much before and after the concert. And Big Time Rush, I went to their concert, so I listened to them a lot. But that's nuts. It's all Coldplay. Like, was I okay this year? One last thing I want to say is that, hold on. I want to have this heart-to-heart with you guys now on the first video, just to get all my thoughts out of the way. Because I'm a little nervous for this little 12 days of Christmas. I'm so excited, but I'm nervous because I'm nervous I'm gonna fail. I'm nervous I'm not gonna actually be able to upload 12 videos. I'm nervous the big finale isn't gonna go as planned. I'm nervous you guys are gonna be disappointed by the finale. Like, I'm just nervous about all of these little things, but I'm trying not to let that get to me because this is supposed to be the holiday season. It's supposed to be fun and full of jolly and merry. And I've always loved the holidays. Christmas has always been my favorite day of the year. Clearly, I like to get very festive. But as I've gotten older, I feel like the holidays, even though I still love the holidays, they've actually in a way become my least favorite time of the year, because last year during the holidays I was at an extremely low point. Really all of last year I was just at an extremely low point. I realized that the holidays actually can be really hard for me because everywhere you go, people are advertising, and I guess myself included, people are advertising that the holidays are the best time of year. Commercials on TV with perfect families opening their perfect gifts and everyone smiling and laughing on Christmas morning. On TikTok, I'm seeing people do, get ready with me for this holiday party. Get ready with me to go on an ice skating date with my husband. Make these holiday drinks for your Christmas party. What if I'm not invited to any holiday parties this year? What if my family isn't perfect? And what if Christmas can be stressful and full of drama or full of pain and sorrow? I'm not necessarily saying I experience all of these things, but I do think I experience them to some degree. Watching everybody just seem to have the most perfect season of their lives while maybe I'm not, maybe I'm struggling with something, can be really hard. As someone who is also going to be posting a lot on social media, you know, look how happy I am, look how Christmassy it is, I just feel like I want to say, in case you needed to hear this, and really because I think I needed to hear this, that your holidays might not be perfect, and that's okay. Like, you're not any less of a human if you're not waking up on Christmas morning in the most perfect PJs with your most perfect family. Like, it's okay. Maybe you're not even spending Christmas with your family this year. Maybe you're working on Christmas. Because I think that's what really got me last year, is it's not that I had a bad holiday season, it's just that my holiday season was nothing compared to what everybody else's holiday season seemed like on social media. And for me this year, something I'm really gonna try, it's so funny that I'm saying this, but I'm really gonna try to stay off social media, at least around Christmas. Like on Thanksgiving, I really didn't go on social media that much, and that was really good for me because I just couldn't really bear to see everybody and all of their perfect Thanksgivings, because my Thanksgiving was not perfect, and I can assure you my Christmas is not going to be perfect. All that to say, I just really hope that you are able to enjoy your holiday season in a way that is enjoyable to you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're excited for this 12 days of Christmas, and I guess I will see you guys on day 2 of Emily's 12 days of Christmas. Okay.